My Inprint Dotted Journal has finally arrived. The website said it was going to take 14 business days for shipping, but it actually took 21 business days because of Canadian customs. Regardless, I'm happy to have it now. It comes in this protective black box to ensure your notebook is not damaged during shipping. Let's talk pricing. It's available online for $24.99 USD, and they offer free worldwide shipping, which was a huge selling point for me. This came to 34 Canadian dollars. In comparison, the Literature and the Scribbles That Matter notebooks are around 20 USD, which is around 26 Canadian. The Olive and Archer journals start at $31 USD, and with the shipping fee, you're paying over $50 Canadian. As you can see, these are the features of the journal: 160 pages, hardcover, 5mm dot spacing, 160 GSM thick and smooth paper, high ink and paint compatibility, 100% lay flat for easy writing and drawing, expandable back pocket, 2 bookmarks, and elastic closure. The journal is handmade, 100% vegan, all materials are eco-friendly, and it is FSC certified. As you open the journal, you'll see the cover page, and then it goes right into the dotted pages. This is different from the Literature and Scribbles That Matter journals, which come with a few index pages for you to easily jot down the page number and page contents of your journal. One thing that the journal doesn't have that I really wish it did were numbered pages. To get around this, I put page numbers on every other page. The journal has a back pocket here. And it has 2 satin bookmarks. This is just a side comparison of the Inprint with the Literature and the Scribbles That Matter notebook. And here is a comparison of the paper color. I definitely like the Inprint crisp white better. In terms of paperweight, the Inprint journal is the thickest at 160 GSM, followed by the Scribbles That Matter at 100 GSM and the Literature at 80 GSM. Now, let's get on to the pen, watercolor, and ink test. Wow, this is impressive. The only pen that ghosted through was the Sharpie. As you can see, the watercolor didn't bleed through the page at all. Shortly after this, I'm going to show you my Scribbles That Matter notebook where I used watercolor, and you can see how it bleeds through the next page. I used Sumi ink for the pointed pen calligraphy, and you can see that it didn't bleed through the page either. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the Inprint journal, and I would recommend that you get it as well. Thanks for watching!